fabulous first graders. Welcome back to our Friday math video. Today's video is going to be featuring another addition and subtraction problem. This one is going to have a little challenge for you. And at the very end of our video, I have a special surprise. We're going to do a little dance to celebrate the end of our work week. So I hope that you're ready. You will definitely need a pencil and paper or a whiteboard. So get all of your materials ready and we will get started. All right, everyone. Our I can statement today goes with SOL 1.6. I can solve addition and subtraction word problems using strategies that I know. So for today, we're going to get started with our word problem. And you can see I already have a number bond ready. So we're going to read the problem together. Now this problem's a little bit different, so you're going to have to pay really close attention. Are you ready? Okay, good. All right, let's look at the problem on the screen. Sam and Ellie were playing with toy cars. Does it tell me how many toy cars? No, we'll have to keep reading. Sam has some toy cars. Ellie has 2 more than Sam. And then after that, we have some questions that we're going to answer. But first, let's look at our problem and our number bond. Okay? Sam and Ellie were playing with toy cars. That seems like it would be our total, but we don't know the total. Okay? Sam has some toy cars. Do we know how many Sam has? No. Ellie has 2 more than Sam. But we don't know how many Sam has. So let's pick a number. Okay, we're going to say that Sam has 6 toy cars. Would you go ahead and make your number bond like mine and put 6 as one of your parts? Remember, we have part, whole. The top is our whole, our total. We put the parts together and it makes that whole. So make your number bond on your board. Maybe you have a whiteboard that you can use or some pencil and paper. Doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, and then next to them, I'm going to put my pictures. So I'm not very good at drawing, so I'm just going to use my little hearts. You can use circles. I'm going to put my 6 here, and this is going to be his 6 cars. So remember, 5 on the top, 1 on the bottom. Okay, now we're going to say that Sam has 6 toy cars. Our story problem says Sam has some toy cars. Ellie has 2 more than Sam. So let's see. If Sam has 6, you know what? I'm going to write Sam here, and I think that might help us. You could just put an S for Sam. So here's Sam. Ellie, I'm going to put an E for Ellie. This is going to be her part. She has 2 more. So, 6 plus 2. 6. I could count on 6. Ready? In your head. 6, 7, 8. Good. So that would mean that Ellie has 8 cars. And she has 2 more than Sam. So let's draw Ellie's picture. She has 8. Okay, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How could I put this in a problem and figure out my total, my number at the top? Would I add or subtract? If I want to know how many toy cars they have in total, good, I'm going to add. Very good. So I'm going to type that down here. I'm going to say 6 plus 8 equals, what would 6 plus 8 equal? How could I solve that? I want you to work on that problem and see how you could solve that. Maybe you need to pause the video so you have time. Figure it out. Good. Maybe you thought about making 10. You could use the 8 because the 8 is bigger. 8, 9, 10. We made a group of 10. Okay, there's 10. How many are outside of this circle? 4. 10 and 4 make 14. Awesome. 6 plus 8 is 14, which would mean 14 is our total. So let's go back to the word problem. Let's look at some of our questions over here. It says, how many toy cars could they each have? Well, we said that Sam had 6, but is Ellie always going to have more toy cars? If we pick the number 2 for Sam, would Ellie still have more? What do you think? Yes or no? Good, the answer is yes. Ellie is always going to have more because it says in our problem, Ellie has 2 more than Sam. How do you know your answer makes sense? What did we do to check our answer? What did we do down here? Good, we put it in an addition problem and we used a picture. What other answers can you find? So this time, let me get my eraser. You get your eraser. I want you to erase your number bond, erase your picture and your numbers, and I'm going to give you a number for Sam, and I want to see if you can, oh gosh, it took away the problem. Let's see, there it is. I want to see if you can solve it. So erase your board. All right, there we go. This time, I'm going to say that Sam has 5 toy cars. And again, I'm going to label this side S for Sam and this side for Ellie. So can you figure out how many toy cars Ellie has and how many total? Pause the video if you need more time. I'm going to read the problem. Sam and Ellie were playing with toy cars. Sam has some toy cars, so we gave him 5, remember? Ellie has 2 more than Sam. How many is Ellie going to have? I want you to figure that out. Draw your picture. Remember, we read the problem, we draw it, and then we write it. So now it's your turn to draw. Good, I'm gonna work on my drawing while you're working. All right, I put 5 X's for Sam. How many did you find out that Ellie has? What was 2 more? 7, good. 7, so I'm gonna put 7 for Ellie and I'm gonna draw 7 X's here. Remember, you can use circles, whatever's easiest for you. It does not have to be perfect. We don't need to draw cars, that would take us forever. So now we have 5 for Sam, 7 for Ellie. Can you figure out what that total would be at the top? What would that whole part be? Put it in an addition sentence, exactly. 5 plus 7 equals, what would that equal? Use your picture to help you draw. Maybe you can count on, maybe you can make 10. What did you find out was the total? How many did they have all together? 12. Excellent job. Awesome. So we're going to put 12 in our total and 12 in our number bond. You are so smart. Thank you so much for doing math with us this week. Now, if you wait, I have a little surprise dance video for you for doing such a good job.
Repeat the beat. What up? It's your boy, Young Dylan. I'm gonna throw out a beat. You're gonna move along and then repeat the beat. Let's do this. Now repeat.